Hello everyone. So, how are you going to change the background of your Wix website? Okay, so let's know. Let's go. Let's launch your um, Google Chrome app and let's jump into the Wix editor. Okay, so this is the Wix editor. So to change your background, just go to site design, click it, and you can choose or customize the page background by using this one or clicking this one customize, click it, and there are some suggested backgrounds here, but if you don't want any of these backgrounds, you can also get an image from Google. So let's try. So just type in web page backgrounds designs. Okay, and there are a lot of results here that you can choose. So what you're going to do is to click it, okay, and right click on the image, click save image as, okay, and to easily locate that, just choose desktop as the file location and click save. Or you can also rename that, okay. Click save and let's go back to the Wix website editor. Okay, so you can upload that image. um, okay, let's go back. Okay, so this is the box where you can upload your image. So upload media, click it, and upload from computer. So let's locate the file. So it's on the desktop, okay, this one, and it will be automatically uploaded. Just wait for a while. Okay, click it and click change background. Okay, so let's wait for it to reflect. Okay, there you go. So the background of your site has been changed. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.